Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. The Knowledge School, Kite Campus. English Language, Class 4. Definition of an application, application writing, prepared by Ms. Aisha Usman. Definition of an application. A formal request to be considered for a position or to be allowed to do or have something submitted to an authority, institution, or organization. Students, today we will do the application of urgent piece of work. Kindly write this application in your language copies and learn by heart. Shall we start? The principal, the Knowledge School, Kite Campus, Ittefaq Town, Lahore. Subject, urgent piece of work. Respected Sir, I beg to say that I have an urgent piece of work at home. I cannot come to school tomorrow. Kindly grant me leave for one day. I shall be very thankful to you. Yours obediently, XYZ. Class 4. Now here you have to write your sections, in which section you are. Then date, whatever the date is going to be. Students, very easy work. Kindly concentrate. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.